If you have finished the previous steps, let's continue. First, I need to select all of my lines and hide them. Select all of your points and we delete them because they are not useful anymore. Select all of your surface, except this one. Explode them. Oh, then we rebuild them again. The U direction is 3 and V direction is 5, and then the U direction is 2 degrees and V direction is 3 degrees. Click OK. Then we get a planar surface. But because we just rebuild the top surface, there may be some gap between this surface and this surface. So I delete this one and I use dupe edge command. Select these edges in this side and press enter. You draw all of the edges together and show your curve. Let us build a new surface. Love command. Great. Go back to the top view. I want to create a skylight, so I go to the ghosted mode. And then let's see how to do this skylight. I can turn on my control points and drag my control points to adjust the form. Oh, and the next one, select these two surfaces together because we want to keep the tangent relations between these two surfaces. You can also press your Alt on your keyboard and then we can select these control points together, and also press your Shift command. Otherwise you will select the surface. This one, oops. Select them together. And then these two surfaces. Oh, and the last one. We should use split surface by isocurve to create another isocurve line. Press enter. Then this one piece of surface change to two pieces of surface. But you need to be careful when you right-click split surface by isocurve. When you choose your position, you need to choose shrink yes. If you don't choose it, your surface control points will be further and you can't control it very accurate. Turn on the control points and let us see where is it. And then this one. Oops. Be patient when you do this step. Okay, I just leave it like this. Okay guys, do it until this step and then we continue the next step. Please make sure you have done them. Please don't only watching or listening, otherwise you won't learn much. Let's have a look at the image again. there are still 2 more surfaces for the building with 1 edge. Let's see how to do it. Basically, we just repeat the same process. Before it, I want to change my view into the gloss blue. It looks much better. Go to my top view. And then I draw my line. Adjust the curve line. Cool. Go to the front view. Before it, I can delete my back view. Just click for view pause, and then it will be disappeared. Go to the front view, and this is our target line. Select the control points, pull them up, and then we draw another one, the bottom line, this one. Disable, similar position. Right click multiple points to split the lines. We want to get the same number of the surface. And then I use split. Then I get pieces of the lines. Then we use loft command. Loft again. Surface edge. Press enter. Make sure you turn down your record history. If you turn down your history, you can drag the line. If you don't like the surface, you can adjust your surface. Cool guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.